Parking Swanee.
Waters forecast for the K8B32 listening area for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Issued at 2:16 p.m. Small craft advisory in effect until National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 7 p.m. At 6 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles south of Azores to 48 nautical miles west of Anclote Key, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Waterspouts can become tornadoes if they move on shore. Keep abreast of the situation. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours.
That still gives us
All on
hope.
board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Azelo, Crystal River, Hernando Beach, Arapaca, Bayport, and Youngstown. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northern Florida.
SPS.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Okay.
These are the 5 p.m. observations for the local area on Sunday. Brooksville, it was cloudy. The temperature was 74 degrees.